Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have an Ipsy Mystery Glam Bag to go over with you. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. You have to be a member of one of the 3 different tiers that they have available to have access to the shop where these bags can be purchased. Now, this in particular bag I'm going to be going over with you today is no longer available for purchase. However, there are similar bags for the price of $14 for 5 deluxe size and sometimes 6 deluxe size items. It should let you know on the page how much value is in each bag and how many items. But this is the package it always comes in. And this is what my cute little bag looks like. It's almost like a little fuzzy carpet. I love it. It's just so unique, so different. This is the bag, and outside we do have an item, and it's a 2-pack of masks. We have Nourishing Acai Berry, and then on the other side we have Moisturizing Avocado, which I think is super cool that there's 2 masks included. And inside the bag we have a little Realer Glow and Confidence highlighter. Oh, how cute. The packaging is like almost marbled looking. And this is the highlighter here. Let's go ahead and get a swatch of this and see how it looks. Honestly, it's more like subtle looking to me, but I'm okay with it. I like all different kinds of highlighters, different highlighter for every look, I say. And let's see what else is in here. I have a smoothing body exfoliant. Okay, that's something different, and it's from Orate, if I'm saying that correctly. It's dermatologist approved. Okay, so I'll definitely be giving this a try out, and I do reviews on this channel, so I'll be posting either Monday or Tuesday my reviews of just stuff that I've been using over the week. And then I got a little Violet Voss single eyeshadow. Let's see what shade I got. I already have gold, I think, so if it's gold, we're going to put this in a giveaway. Okay, and again with the box. So if I do have to put this in a giveaway, it's not going to have the box, but it's still going to be new. Boxes are not wanting to cooperate with me today. Okay, and this is in the shade Are You Kidding Me? Which is kind of cute and clever. I love it. It has the basic plastic black packaging. And it is a shade that I do not own. So this to me is like almost like a transition shade. Let's get a swatch of it. It feels really nice. Nice quality. And that is the color right there. It's just a very light brown, almost like a bronzer type color, but I think that'd be really good as like a transition shade, especially if you're going to wear the gold with it. I think that actually look really good together. So I have 2 that match now. It's super neat. And the last item in here is a full-size eyeliner. So it's cool they included a full-size eyeliner in here, but it is a liquid liner, so those are my favorite, so I'll definitely be keeping this. I really like when they throw in full-size items in here. I feel like they always throw in at least one. It's not required of them to put in a full-size item, but I feel like most of the time they do. And this is from Jonte Blue Ultra Lasting 24-hour eyeliner. And this is the packaging that it comes in. So super cute. Overall, I'm really happy with this. I feel like this is a $14 well spent. I do have quite a few deluxe size items, but then that gives you the chance to be able to try out a product to see if you like it and see if you would like to purchase a full size of it. So that is neat that we got a bunch of different things to try. So I got a highlighter, an eyeshadow, an eyeliner, a body scrub, and some face masks. I think that's pretty good. And one of my subscribers asked me to do a shout out for him. He is trying to create his own beauty channel. He's only had 1 video uploaded so far, and it's still definitely a work in progress. But he asked that I do a shout out for him, and I'm all about doing support and love of other people. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up in the corner here, just giving a shout out to him from me. Anyways, that's everything I had for today's video. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.